Today we came to know about the electronic configuration of few elements of the lesson atomic structure. What means electronic configuration? It shows how the electrons are distributed in shells, subshells and orbitals. Well, what is the general representation of electronic configuration? It is N, L and X. What is N? N represent the number of main shell. It means principal quantum number. L indicate number of subshell. It means azimuthal quantum number, and it may be S, P, D or F. Next, X indicate number of electrons in orbitals, or you can say subshells, right? Now X is what? Number of electrons in orbital of particular subshell. Now electron filled in orbitals takes place by three rules, whatever we talk about them in last videos, and these three rules are Aufbau rule, Pauli rule, and Hund's rule. In short, I tell you, Aufbau rule हमने पढ़ा था. In Aufbau rule, electrons are filled from lower energy to higher energy orbitals in ground state, right? And in Pauli exclusion principle, we know that there is a 4 quantum numbers, and if a set of quantum number is allotted for particular electron in an atom, then this set is excluded for the another any electron in same atom. This was the Pauli exclusion principle. It means what? No two electrons in an atom have 4 same set of quantum numbers. And Hund's rule says what? In P, D and F subshell, firstly electrons are filled one by one in all the orbitals, and then pairing will takes place. So these three rules we will follow during the filling of the electronic configuration of elements. And now one more thing, whatever you must know, that is the number of maximum electrons in particular subshell. We know that S subshell has only one orbital. It means it contains maximum 2 electrons, and we know that one orbital can contain 2 electrons. P subshell has 3 orbitals. It means P subshell has 6 electrons. D subshell has 5 orbital. It means 10 electrons. And F subshell has 7 orbitals. It means 14 electrons. It is very important. You must know that S subshell has maximum 2, P subshell 6, D subshell 10 and F subshell 14 electrons. Maximum 14 electrons may be present in F subshell. और ये ध्यान रखना है बिल्कुल अच्छे से. Now we start EC. Today we will start EC from hydrogen and we will end at the calcium, means up to 20 atomic number, right? Now for hydrogen atomic number is 1, and we know that Aufbau rule, you must remember Aufbau rule. According to the Aufbau rule, 1s orbital has minimum energy. It means one electron will enter into the 1s orbital, right? तो 1 electron will enter into the 1s. तो what is its configuration? 1s1 means 1s orbital में सिर्फ एक ही इलेक्ट्रॉन है. मैं यहाँ पर सिंपली सबशेल के ऑर्बिटल्स को एक बॉक्स के फॉर्म में इंडिकेट करने वाली हूँ. एस सबशेल हैज़ ओनली 1 ऑर्बिटल, दैट्स वाई 1 बॉक्स. P subshell has 3 orbitals, 3 box. D subshell 5 orbitals, 5 boxes. And यहाँ D और F up to 20, D और F की तो बात होगी ही नहीं, उनके बारे में हम बात करते हैं बाद में. तो हाइड्रोजन हैज़ ओनली 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन and it will move into the 1s lowest energy orbital 1s, and on configuration become 1s1, and 1s orbital has only 1 electron like this. Next is helium and its atomic number is 2. Now 2 electrons. Further, जब तक lower energy orbital completely fill नहीं होगा, then electron will not move to the next higher energy orbital. It means 1s orbital energy is minimum. It means electron will move to the 1s until it has 2 electrons, because s orbital can have maximum 2 electrons. So these 2 electrons move in what? 1s. Now what is its configuration? 1s2. Now helium configuration is not 2 only, जैसा कि अब तक आप 10th तक करते आ रहे हो. Now it becomes what? 1s2. Again s orbital I will indicate as a box and 2 electrons with opposite spin. 1s. This one. Now we come to the next. It is lithium. Lithium atomic number is 3. Right? अब lithium का atomic number 3 है. Firstly, electron will filled into the 1s. 1s contain maximum 2 electrons. Remember that s orbital may have maximum 2 electrons. और जब ये orbital completely fill हो जाएगी, now electron will move to the next higher energy orbital, which is 2s. Now how many electrons remain? 2 are filled in 1s and atomic number is 3. It means total 3 electrons. 1 electron remain. It will move to the 2s1. That's why lithium configuration is what? 1s2, 2s1. My box, if I indicate 1s2, 1s has 2 electron and 2s1. 2s has only 1 electron. Right? Now next is what? Beryllium 4. You try by yourself. Firstly, you will fill electrons in 1s. When 1s completely filled, move to 2s. Total number of electrons 4. 2 electrons in 1s, remaining 2 electrons in 2s. You can show like this. 1s, 2s. Both has 2 electrons in this manner. Now, come to the next, boron. Atomic number is 5. Now what is this? 1s2. We know that 2 electron is lowest energy orbital. After 1s, 2s. 2s contains maximum 2 electrons because s orbital may have maximum 2 electrons. And now Aufbau rule, look at this. 1s, 2s. After 2s, next higher energy is 2p. Means 1 electron will move into 2p. 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Only 1 electron remain. That's why in 2p. I know 1s has only 1 orbital. 2s 1 orbital. 2p 3 orbital. Like this. 1s, 2s, 2p. 2 electrons in 1s. 2 electrons in 2s and 1 electron in 2p. This is the electronic configuration of boron. Now come to the next, carbon. In same manner, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Now you can fill electrons like this. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Okay. Next is what? Nitrogen. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. Like this. Now look at this. Here what we follow? Hund's rule. What Hund's rule said? First of all, 1 electron in orbital, in each orbital of particular subshell. Only then pairing will take place. So till nitrogen we complete only 1 electron in each orbital. Now come to the next, oxygen. 8. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. We know that p orbital, p subshell may have maximum 6 electrons. So we will move up to the 2p until it has 6 electrons. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. 1 electron in each orbital and then pairing. 1s, 2s, 2p. Next is what? Fluorine 9. 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Like this, 1s2, 2s2 and 2p5. Right? Next what? Neon. Its atomic number is 10. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Now look at this. There are 10 electrons and p subshell is filled. Right? Now what? Now you will follow again Aufbau rule. According to Aufbau rule, after 2p, next energy orbital is 3s. It means after filling of 2p, next electron will move to the 3s. Look at this how. Next is sodium. Atomic number is 11. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Up to here 10 electrons, and next energy orbital is 3s, and it will contain only one electron, right? It is electronic configuration of Na. Now you will not say for Na 281. Now you will follow 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1, right? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. Next is magnesium. 12. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. I hope you can fill in same manner. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s2, right? Next is aluminium. 13. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s3. No, as can't has 3 electron. S orbital can have only 2 electrons. It means 3s2. Now look at this. After 3x, next energy orbital is what? 3p. Show this arrow head and this arrow tail. Now it comes to what? 3p. The next is 3p1. EC becomes what? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. You can show like this. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p1. Right? Next is what? Silicon. 14. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p2. Next is phosphorus. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p3. After phosphorus, sulfur. 16. It remains same. 3p4. After sulfur, chlorine. 17. Remains same. 3p5. Next is what? Argon. 18. Remains same. 3p6. And next is potassium. 19. Remains same. Now look at this what? 3p7. No, because p subshell has maximum 6 electrons. And after 3p, next energy orbital is what? 4s. Okay. It means 4s1. And for calcium, 3p6, 4s2. So what is the EC for calcium? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. In this manner, you must remember that how you will fill the electrons in the orbital in increasing energy form, in increasing energy orbitals. And for that, you must know Aufbau rule, and you must know what is the order of the energy in ground state. If you know about this chart, you can fill the electron easily, right? तो इसे आप अपने साथ रखें, स्टार्टिंग में प्रैक्टिस करें, and you will go through the EC very well. And in next video, we will come to know EC of the 3D orbitals and 3D series. Till then, goodbye.